everyone, welcome to Academy Solution. So today, let's learn how to create a flower. Very simple, okay? So I have here this design, so let's create a different one. So for example, we'll be creating example this kind of. So to make this object repeat until it became flower, just go to object, then repeat, and then redraw. So it doesn't look like flower, but anyways, it depends on your design. So if you create something like this, so do that again. So it looks like flower. That's how to create a fast way to create a flower. So you can adjust this one or make it lesser or more leaves, flowers. You can also adjust this one. So start and end. So here. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.